So, Dr. Titus, if there are states in our union that have current statutes on the books prohibiting or criminalizing abortion in that state, when abortions are performed in those states today with those current statutes, even with Roe v. Wade, what we're saying is that there are criminal acts being committed in those states when abortions are performed.
Well, yes, you have to think you're dealing with two different courts. The court of public opinion, it's very important to disabuse people thinking that Roe v. Wade legalized abortion.
Right.
That's impossible.
Yes.
That's impossible.
That's right.
The court can't make straight what God has made crooked. They can't deny to a baby the full protection of laws prohibiting homicide. It just simply isn't true. So the rhetoric that we engage in is very, very important, or otherwise people would think that, well, we're challenging a legal rule. Well, no, we're not. We're challenging a rule that is based upon an illegitimate statement of facts and assumption of law. And it's important in the court of public opinion to talk in those kinds of terms. The other challenge that you have that you're just suggesting is the lower magistrate. The governors of states in today's political climate are very reluctant to interpose between the people of the state and of the Congress or of the court. And there has to be a cultivation amongst the lower magistrates, such as governors and attorneys general, to recognize that they have a moral and legal obligation to stand on the law and not just hide behind the skirts of the court that has decided a case in a wrong way.
Okay. Dr. Titus, is it your expert legal opinion that abortion should be abolished at the state level? Is it your expert legal opinion that states can engage in this kind of legislation lawfully?
Well, certainly, and that's a very important point. Until the United States Supreme Court constitutionalized the abortion issue, abortion was considered a state matter. And in our federal system, it was a matter that the state should decide, not a matter that the United States should decide, much less the United States Supreme Court making the decision for the people of each state. So it's extremely important for the states to step up to the plate and get back to the business of protecting innocent life and not allow the federal courts to push them around. But that requires them to take a position about what law is, that they've got to come to the conclusion that a court opinion is not law. It's never been considered to be law by presidents from Jefferson and through Lincoln, and Democrats as well as Republicans. We need some courageous governors to interpose and protect the precious life of babies in the womb of their mother.